Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both your finger and the phone. Clean and dry the finger you plan to enroll. Oil or moisture reduces accuracy. Next, open Settings, go to Security, then Fingerprint, and start enrollment. This is the first actionable step. When prompted, lightly place the center of your fingertip on the sensor and lift repeatedly so different areas register. Once done, the system collects partial prints to build a complete template. This improves speed and reliability when you later unlock. Now you expand the fingerprint map by varying angle and pressure. This captures ridges across the tip and sides, so the sensor recognizes you in different grips. As you follow prompts, reposition slightly, rotate your finger and press a bit more or less, because sensors need multiple contact patterns. Make sure on-screen progress reaches completion before exiting. Also, add a second or third finger as backups. This prevents lockouts when one finger is injured or gloved, and it speeds unlocking in daily use. Finish by testing unlock several times, using different grips and orientations so you confirm both speed and accuracy. If available, enable Wacom Touch or related setting. This makes unlocking one fluid action. Make sure you set a strong fallback PIN or pattern. This remains essential. If you experience failures, first clean the sensor and dry your finger, then re-register the fingerprint or add another finger. If problems persist, remove the old template and repeat enrollment. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.